The whole idea is to talk about cancer health disparities. What is causing it? What is being done to address it? What are the challenges? And what can be done? As a cancer doctor, it breaks my heart when I see patients who cannot afford a cancer treatment that can treat or cure their cancer. Question is, we as society, what can we do about it? How can we make our society healthier?
At the 2018 summit, we're going to have epic debates about how to control the costs of cancer. These presidential-style debates will feature world-renowned oncologists, healthcare executives, patient advocates, and others such as lawmakers to try to decide how we can move forward with making healthcare more accessible for cancer patients.
The topic is very complicated. I am really excited about this summit because we will be bringing in people from all spectrum of healthcare to talk about what we can do to make cancer care accessible to most people and minimize the disparities.
At the Binaytara Foundation, we advocate, educate, and innovate to improve healthcare.